What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the Asus 8 mini and the 8 Pro. So it was a surprise from Asus to come at this per point on this launch event. So let's find out in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So with the launch of the iPhone 12 mini, there was a hope for again a compact flagship smartphones. So in the Android department, we don't have such many compact flagship phones except for the Pixel 4a and the other phones too. So with the launch of the Asus 8 Zenfone mini, we can expect a phone to be launched at a compact smartphone flagship range, which will be having a 5.92 inch of AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate. Yes, it will be a 120Hz AMOLED display, so it won't be compromising anything on the display. And with the top of that, if we talk about the selfie camera, there will be no notch. Instead of that, there will be a punch hole selfie camera. And we also have an information about the camera, so subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it already. So before moving to the cameras department, let's talk about the Asus Zenfone 8, which will be the vanilla version of the Asus flagship series, having the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and also it will be a larger size, but it won't be having a rotating camera just like the yesteryear. Other than that, on the Asus Zenfone 8 Pro, we'll be seeing a flip camera with a quad camera setup or even a triple camera setup at this price. Now talking about the performance of all these phones, they all will feature a Snapdragon 888 under the hood, and it won't be a toned down version of a flagship performance in terms of the Snapdragon 870 or the 860 other processors. So it's really good to see that the phone manufacturer is getting to the ultimate flagship performance in all of these three smartphones in this price, which will be a pretty competitive when compared to the Xiaomi, OnePlus of the markets. Other than that, let's talk about now the cameras. The 8 mini is supposed to have a 2-camera setup or the dual camera setup with a main sensor of 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 and accompanied by a Sony IMX663. Now we can expect the secondary camera to be an ultra wide lens, as the depth sensor on the telephoto doesn't make any sense to the customers anymore. On the other hand, it will be supporting a 30-watt fast charging according to the Asus, and it will come with a 3.5 audio jack and the IP68 rating for the Asus Zenfone mini. And if we talk about the storage, then all of these phones will support a minimum 6GB of RAM up to 12GB for the 8 mini and the vanilla 8, whereas we can expect a 16GB of RAM in the Asus Zenfone 8 Pro. And on the storage side, all of the smartphone will feature 128GB of base storage and the maxed out at 256GB, which is again a decent storage compatibility we can expect. So now let's come down to the launch date of this phone. So Asus Zenfone 8 mini was being claims on the BIS certification, which seems that the launch has been imminent, and we can expect the phone to be launched on 12th of May, which is coming very soon, and it's very near to the launch. So let's wait for the launch of the Asus Zenfone 8 series, and if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one.